How to see messages without being seen on Messenger? Here's how. Begin by opening the Messenger app on the device. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, click on the settings at the top to access the settings. In the settings menu, look for and tap on the active status. Here toggle the switch to turn off your active status. Here choose the duration and hit the pause button. This action will make you appear offline to others and they won't be able to see when you are active on Messenger. After turning off active status, go back to the previous setting page. Furthermore, scroll down to the Preferences section and select Privacy and Safety to open the privacy-related settings. Likewise, scroll down to the Read Receipts and tap on it. Toggle the switch to turn it off. This will stop others from seeing when you have read their message. There you go. Now you know how to see messages without being seen on Messenger.